Alright, saphinda-ke sanibingelela soMgungundlovu FM njengoba sishilo ukuthi-ke we are cruising la edolobheni laseMgungundlovu. Sihamba-ke interviewa abantu about Human Rights Day. Uyazi ukuthi ngoLwesihlanu sobe-ke celebrate-ke usuku lwamalungelo abantu. So what we are doing actually is sihamba sibuza abantu, different people, siqale ngabantu abesilisa and then seza ngosisi wethu. Now sinomfundi because we want to like get everyone ukuthi sibone ukuthi abantu what do they know uma ngabe sikhuluma-ke nge-Human Rights Day. So I have about 5 questions here engizoyibuza and then umfowethu uzosiphendula asitshele ukuthi ma-answers are right, then at the end sobe sesisho ukuthi-ke uthole ngaki out of 5. But before singeneke kuma-questions ethu, mfowethu kuhamba kahle?
Khamba kahle bhuti, khamba kahle.
Right, mhlawumbe ungayi-introduce nje kumuntu olalela, umuntu obukayo, igama nesibongo nomkhosi wakho.
Ngiwamkhize Langelihle, ufunde ML. Okay, so ngimfana ophilayo yabo.
Okay, yo, mfana ophilayo, yezwa ke. Okay, all right, without wasting any time, let's just go straight into it. My first question, my brother, is uyakhumbula ukuthi sikhuluma nge-Human Rights Day, right?
Yeah,
so ama-questions ethu alapho. So which of the following is not a fundamental human right? Option number 1, right to life, right to freedom of speech, right to own a pet, right to education.
You see.
Right to own a pet. Okay, we're going to move to question number 2. Otige, what is the purpose of South African Human Rights Commission? Number 1, to promote and protect human rights in South Africa, to investigate and prosecute human rights violations, to provide legal aid to victims of human rights abuse, to monitor and report on human rights issues in South Africa.
A, I think A.
Okay, choose A.
A.
Okay, right to life. No, it's to promote and protect human rights in South Africa. And then question number 3, which international human rights treaty was adopted by the United Nations in 1948? Number 1 is Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Number 2 is International Covenant of Civil and Political Rights. Number 3 is International Covenant on Economic, Social and Cultural Rights. And then number 4 is Convention on the Rights of the Child.
I get to see.
To see?
Yeah, see.
Okay. Let's move to question number 4. And then our question number 4 is, what is the theme of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights? Option number 1, all human beings are born free and equal. Number 2, human rights are universal, indivisible, and independent. Number C, everyone has the right to life, liberty, and security of person. And then D, all of the above.
I choose D.
D. Okay, all of the above.
All of it.
And then our last question is, which of the following is an example of human rights violation? Discrimination based on race, gender, or sexual orientation, forced labor or human trafficking, torture or cruel, inhumane, and degrading treatment, or all of the above.
All of the above.
Okay, cool. So we have ama-answers akho. Eyokuqala uthe C, esibili wathi A, esithathu wathi A, S4 wathi D, and then S5 wathi D. So that's hundreds of hundreds. Yeah, it's hundreds of hundreds.
Thank you for me.
So and I think sivala la njengamanje njengoba sitshela ukuthi sihamba ke sibuza abantu ama-questions about Human Rights Day. Kanti-ke lento soyiposta kuma-socials wethu, uMgungundlovu FM, no-Facebook wethu, then yonke enye information uzoyithola khona. Nawe you can answer these questions because siwaposta futhi nakhona. Mina ngu-Andile wakandwandwe, uMgungundlovu FM 107.6 FM, the sound of choice of KZN Capital. I'm signing out.